Good morning students. Welcome back to Mathematics online class grade 9. In practical geometry, last class we learned about centroid. Can you remember? Then how to draw this centroid? Okay. And what is meant by centroid? The point of concurrency of the median of a triangle is called the centroid, isn't it? It is denoted by capital G. Okay, the point of concurrency of the median of a triangle. Median of a triangle, isn't it? That is called the centroid. Okay, then today we are going to see the continuation of the practical geometry. So, dear children, take your practical geometry note and write it down. Okay, then it is fourth chapter geometry from their practical geometry, page number 175 in your book. Okay, then construction of orthocenter of a triangle. Now we are going to see construction of orthocenter of a triangle. Then what is meant by orthocenter? The orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitudes of a triangle. Usually it is denoted by capital H. Okay. Then centroid means then point of concurrency of the median. But here what is given? Then orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitude. Okay. Then altitude of a triangle. And this is the acute angle triangle. Then how many vertices given? A, B, C. This is from vertex A. This is the altitude. Altitude means 90 degree it will come. Okay, this is the 90 degree. This is the altitude. Then from vertex B, this is the altitude. Okay, 90 degree. Then from vertex C, this is the altitude. Okay. Then point of concurrency, these three altitude intersecting place is called what? This is the orthocenter. Okay, this is the orthocenter. Then orthocenter denoted by capital H. Orthocenter is denoted by capital H. Okay, from vertex A, then vertex B, then vertex C. Three altitudes intersecting point is called what? Then orthocenter. Okay. Then point of concurrency of altitude of a triangle. This is the triangle, isn't it? Okay. Then this is acute angle triangle. Okay. And then point of concurrency of the altitude of a triangle is called what? Orthocenter. Have understood? Now you see the one note. Okay, three types of triangle you know, isn't it? First one acute angle triangle. This one obtuse triangle. Then right angle triangle, isn't it? Where do the orthocenter lie in the given triangle? Okay. Then acute angle. This is the acute angle. Then acute angle triangle. Acute triangle means then orthocenter where it will come? Inside of triangle. Inside of the triangle it will come. Okay. This is a capital H. Okay. Inside only it will come. Then obtuse triangle. Okay. Obtuse triangle. Suppose obtuse means above 90 degree. That is obtuse angle triangle, isn't it? Obtuse triangle means that is orthocenter where it will come? Outside of the triangle. Okay, outside of the triangle. This is the triangle, obtuse angle triangle. And then obtuse angle triangle means then where it will come? Orthocenter outside of triangle it will come. Okay. Then right triangle. Right triangle means then vertex at right angle it will come. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means it is one angle must be 90 degree, isn't it? This angle 90 degree. Okay, then so vertex at where it will come? This orthocenter vertex at where? Right angle. Okay, vertex at right angle. This orthocenter we can plot. Okay, have you understood? Then acute angle means what? Inside of triangle. Then obtuse angle means then outside of a triangle. Then right triangle means then vertex at right angle it will come. Okay. Now let's say example 4.13. Example 4.13. Then construct triangle PQR whose sides are PQ is equal to 6 cm, then angle Q is equal to 60 degree and QR is equal to 7 cm, and locate its orthocenter. Locate its orthocenter. First we have to construct triangle PQR. Okay. Then what is given, first write it. Okay, in PQR, triangle PQR, PQ is given, then angle Q is given, then and QR is equal to 7 cm. Okay, then afterwards draw the rough diagram. Okay, rough diagram, first we have to draw the triangle PQ is given, isn't it? PQ 6 cm, then QR also 7 cm is given. Okay, then angle 60 degree, then angle Q, then Q is equal to 60 degrees given. Okay, everything you should plot it. Then this is the rough diagram. Then afterwards a fair diagram. Now we are going to draw fair diagram. Okay, then take this scale. Yes, 6 cm, isn't it? Then keep this scale. Draw 6 cm. Okay. Draw 6 cm. And 6 cm. This is PQ. Okay, this line segment is PQ. At once you write it 6 cm. Okay, then 6 cm. Then afterwards here what is given? Angle Q given, isn't it? Angle Q is equal to 60 degree. Take the protractor. Take the protractor from Q. Have to find out 60 degree. Okay, where's the line? You check it. Line here. Here it is coming, isn't it? Line is here. So from 0 onwards start. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 mark it. Okay, then the 60 mark it. Afterwards remove with the help of scale. Draw the line segment. Draw the line segment. Okay, draw the line segment. Then afterwards here what is given? Again QR also given, isn't it? QR 7 cm. 7 cm. Take in your compass. 7 cm take it. From Q, QR is given. R we don't know. So from Q you have to draw the R. Okay. Then extend this line. Extend. Okay. Then here one point we got. Okay, which point? This is R. This point is R. Then PQ. Then R also we got, isn't it? Then join PR. Join PR. Now we construct the triangle PQR, isn't it? PQR. Have you understood? What are the points are given? That point we have to write here 7 centimeter. Then this angle is 60 degree. Okay. Then how we can find out the orthocenter? Okay. First we have to draw the altitude. Okay. Construct altitude from any two vertices. Any two vertices we have to find. Okay. Then shall we take here P first, otherwise R shall we take first? Okay. The vertex R you should take it. Then vertex R, from vertex R to arc we have to draw opposite side. Okay. Then opposite side two arc you should draw. Understood? Two arc you draw. Okay. Then this arc you keep it here. Okay. First arc, from first arc have to draw. Then another one arc down. Okay. From here have to draw the arc. How to draw the altitude? First vertex R, from vertex R, and then opposite side you have to draw two arc. Okay. This same measurement you keep it here. This is 2 dot have to mark here. Okay. 2 dot we have to mark. From first arc you have to draw one arc here. Okay. Like that keep here and draw the arc. Okay. Then afterwards take this scale and join P and this arc. Okay. Then middle point. Okay. This dotted portion have to join. Okay. This is the altitude. Okay. This is the altitude. Altitude means here how many degree it will come? 90 degree. Okay. This is 90 degree perpendicular. This is the altitude. Okay. Then PQ altitude is R. Okay. R and this from here. Okay. This is the altitude. Have you understood? Like that. Then another side also you have to take. Okay. Shall we take from vertex P? From vertex P. Then opposite side have to draw two arc. Okay. And extend. And it is coming outside. So reduce some. Okay. Then clear? In opposite side two arc you have to draw. Have to draw two arc. Okay. This same measurement you keep it here and draw the arc. Okay. Like that. Keep it here and draw the arc. Okay. Then here one point we got, isn't it? One point we got. Then this point and vertex P. Okay. Vertex P you have to join. Draw the line. This is the perpendicular line. Okay, clear? Perpendicular line. Here also 90 degree it will come. Okay, this is the altitude. Then these two altitude intersecting place is called what? Orthocenter. This is called what? Orthocenter. It is denoted by capital H. Okay, the point of intersection of the altitude height. Okay, two altitude. Then this side also we can draw. Okay, in the same place only it will come. Okay, these points. So stop it. Then point of intersection of the altitude heights is the orthocenter of the given triangle. Okay, given triangle is which one? PQR. Then which is the orthocenter? Then height is the orthocenter. Okay. Then this is the acute angle triangle, isn't it? So orthocenter where it will come? Then inside of triangle. Okay. Then afterwards, then this is right hand side. You draw this one. Okay, with the help of pencil, should draw. Okay, drawing should use pencil. Okay, then left hand side construction you write it. Your own construction you can write. Okay, own construction you write it. That's enough. Are you clear? Any doubt? Next we are going to say exercise 4.5. Then seventh sum. Draw triangle ABC where AB is equal to 6 cm. Then angle B is equal to 110 degree and BC is equal to 5 cm and construct its orthocenter. Construct its orthocenter. Okay. Then what is given first? Write it in triangle or ABC. Then AB is equal to 6 cm, angle B is equal to 110 degree and BC is equal to 5 cm. Everything write it. Then afterwards draw the rough diagram. Okay, rough diagram. Then AB is given. Draw AB on line segment 6 cm. From B 110 degree you draw. Then afterwards, then BSP center we have to draw the from B. We have to draw 5 cm. Then join. We will get what? C. Okay, this is the what? This is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. And then now we are going to draw fire diagram. Fire diagram. How to construct the orthocenter we are going to see. Okay. Then here AB equal to 6 cm, isn't it? AB is equal to 6 cm. So we have to draw 6 cm. 6 cm. This is the 5 cm, 6 cm. Okay, this is 6 cm. AB here 6 cm. Okay, then angle what is given? 110 degrees given. Okay, B have to from B like this we have to keep. Okay, in the line this 0 degree it will come. Okay, then center have to keep where B. Okay, then here 110 degrees given. Where's the line? This is the line, isn't it? So we have to start from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 90, 100, 110. Here it will come. Okay, then 110. Okay, then have to join this point. Have to join this point. Extend this line. And afterwards 5 cm take your compass. 5 cm take it. This one 5 cm. Sorry, here 4. This one 5 cm. Okay. 5 cm take your compass. Then afterwards, and from B, you have to draw 5 cm. Cut this line. Okay. Then we got C point. This point is C. Okay. Then join. At once here also we have to write 5 cm. This angle is 110 degree. Okay, then join A and C. Join AC. Join AC. Okay, join AC. Then afterwards we have to draw the constraint altitude from any two vertices. Okay, any two vertices we have to draw the what altitude. Okay, then which side we shall we take this side vertex from vertex B? Shall we draw from vertex B? From vertex B, then opposite side we have to draw 2 arc. Okay, opposite side have to draw 2 arc. Opposite side is AC. Then AC line 2 arc we have to draw. In the same measurement, keep this point. Okay, then draw the arc. Okay, like that. Here we got one arc, isn't it? From here, have to draw. Very clear? From this point, have to draw one arc. Then from this point, okay, draw another arc. These two arc intersecting point, here one point we got, isn't it? Okay. Then, so we have to join. Okay, join this point and B. Vertex B. Vertex B we have to join. Okay, this is one altitude. Okay, one altitude we got. Like that, we have to find what this side also we can find, isn't it? Then shall we take from A or from C also we can draw. Shall we draw from C? From C. Then opposite side 2 arc we have to draw. Okay, 2 arc means then it won't intersect. Okay, inside it won't come. Okay, so we have to extend the line. Okay, shall we extend the line? This AB we have to extend. This line we have to extend. Okay, then afterwards from C we have to draw 2 arc opposite side. Okay, okay, like this 2 arc we have to draw. The same measurement, keep it this point, draw the arc. Okay, then here also we have to keep, draw the arc. Any doubt? From here down we have to draw the arc. Like that you keep here and draw the arc. Okay, then from vertex C only we draw this arc, isn't it? So we have to join this point and vertex C. Vertex C we have to join. Okay, this is the altitude. Another altitude. Have understood? This one also one of the altitude, isn't it? But we know then 2 altitude intersecting place is called what? Orthocenter, isn't it? What is meant by orthocenter? Then orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitude, isn't it? Here this is one altitude. Okay, like that already we got this is another altitude, isn't it? Then shall we extend this line? This altitude, shall we extend? Okay, we have to extend this line also. This is another altitude. Okay, these 2 altitudes, okay, intersecting place is called what? Orthocenter. This is called what? Orthocenter. Then already we learned one node, isn't it? Then if this is the what obtuse angle triangle means, then we where it will come? Orthocenter. Orthocenter where it will come? Then outside of triangle. This is the triangle. Then outside only it will come. Have you understood? Any doubt? Then construction everything you can write your own. Okay. Same model you can write. Okay. Then Left hand side you should write it construction. Okay, your own also you can write. Any doubt here? Don't confuse it. 2 altitude you draw. Okay, 2 altitude. This is from vertex C. I draw 1 altitude. Then from B also. This is another altitude. Okay, these 2 altitude intersecting place is called what? This is the orthocenter. Like that, B side, A side also we can take from A as the vertex. Okay, A vertex means then opposite side is BC, isn't it? Then here we cannot draw arc, isn't it? So we have to draw, extend this line BC extend, and then 2 arc you draw. Okay, then afterwards one more also we can find. Okay, have you understood? Any doubt there? Now one more problem. 8th sum. Draw and locate the orthocenter of a right triangle PQR, where PQ is equal to 4.5 cm, then QR is equal to 6 cm, and PR is equal to 7.5 cm. Okay, then locate the orthocenter. What is given? Right triangle is given. Okay, first you should write it. Given a right triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4.5 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, and PR is equal to 7.5 cm. First we have to draw the construct what? A triangle. Okay, construct the triangle. Okay, then here what is a PQ? PQ is 4.5 cm. Then QR how much? 6 cm is given. Then PR is what? 7.5 cm. Right angle, which side not given, isn't it? So we have to simply draw. Then first 4.5 cm, take the scale. Then 4.5 cm we have to draw. Then underline 4.5 cm. 4.5 centimeter. Okay, PQ is what? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then afterwards, then take the compass. Then 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter we have to take the compass. 6 centimeter. Then from Q, you have to draw the arc. Okay, from Q, you have to draw the arc. Okay, like that. Then a PR also given, isn't it? 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. From P, you have to draw the arc. Okay, then here from Q, how many centimeter? 6 centimeter, isn't it? 6 centimeter. Yeah, from Q, 6 centimeter, extend this line. Okay, then afterwards you join this line, join these points. Okay, draw and QR. Okay, then Q point we got, isn't it? This 2 R intersecting places what? R, isn't it? R. Okay, then afterwards join P and R. P, R. P, R. Now we got, shall we check this is we get here 90 degree. Okay, this angle is what? 90 degree. Which angle is 90 degree? Angle Q is 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So it is this is the right angle triangle. Okay, and right angle triangle means then orthocenter where it will come? Then vertex at right angle. Vertex at right angle only. What? Orthocenter it will come. Okay, then Q point and orthocenter both also equal. Equal point only it will come. Okay, then shall we check like this one? What is given? You have to mark here. Then 6 centimeter, here 7.5, centimeter. Okay, then we have to draw the altitude, isn't it? Then q, but from vertex q, shall we take first? Okay, opposite side, 2 arc we have to draw. Okay, from vertex q, 2 arc we have to draw. Okay, 2 arc, and then this is one point, isn't it? From this point, one arc we have to draw. Okay, like that. From this point, then another arc we have to draw. This point. Okay, and then one more point we got, isn't it? Then this point and q, vertex q, we have to join this point and then vertex q. Okay, here how many degree it will? This is perpendicular, 90 degree only it will come. Okay, this is 90 degree. Then already here we have this line is 90 degree, isn't it? Then also shall we check here p is the vertex. Then opposite side, 2 arc we have to draw. Okay, we cannot draw, isn't it? So shall we extend this line? This line we have to extend. Okay, then QR is extend. From P, opposite side, 2 arc we have to draw. Okay, 2 arc. Have understood? Then from P, 2 arc we have to draw. Okay, then from this point, this same measurement, okay, this same measurement, we keep it here and draw the arc. Draw the arc like that. Keep it here and draw the arc. Have you understood? So here one point we got, isn't it? Then vertex B and this point you have to join. Have to join this one. Understood? This is 90 degree. Have you understood? This is one vertex. Okay, this is one vertex. Sorry. Then P from P as the vertex. From P we have to draw the altitude. Okay, then this is the altitude. Understood? This is one of the altitude. Then this one also altitude. This two altitude intersecting place is called what? Orthocenter. So orthocenter, where it will come? Orthocenter vertices and a right angle it will come. Okay. Then Q point and orthocenter. Both also same point only it will come. Have you understood? Like that in the rough diagram also we can draw. This is one altitude. Okay, this is another altitude. This two altitude intersecting place is called what? And then orthocenter. Have you clear? Orthocenter like this. And your own construction you can write. Okay. In seventh sum also rough diagram. From here to here, this is one altitude. You can draw an altitude. Then afterwards, from C, another altitude. This two altitude intersecting places called what? Heights. Like this we can draw. Have you understood? This is seventh sum rough diagram. Okay. Have you understood that? The same model. Then two questions shall I give homework for you. Then it's exercise 4.5. Then fifth sum and sixth sum. Fifth question, sixth. Okay. Fifth question is what is given? Triangle PQR. The side is given. Then construct the orthocenter. This is acute angle triangle only given. Okay. Acute triangle. Okay. Acute triangle means then orthocenter where it will come? Inside of triangle. Okay. The sixth question also is only you know very well. Then draw an equilateral triangle. Last year you studied maybe. Equilateral triangle, can you draw? Here side 6.5 centimeter is given. Locate its orthocenter. Then the sixth question, rough diagram how we can draw. This is what 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Then draw an equilateral triangle. Side what 6.5 centimeter. Located orthocenter. Here A, B, C are not given anything. Okay. So shall we take here A, B, and this is 6.5 centimeter. Like that. AC also. Okay. Take your compass 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Then three sides also equal. Okay. Three sides also equal only it will come. Understood? Here 6.5 centimeter. Here also 6.5 centimeter. Okay. A, B, C. Then AB 6.5 centimeter draw. Then afterwards from B 6.5 centimeter draw the arc. From A 6.5 centimeter draw the arc. The also intersecting place is C. Then we will get the triangle. Afterwards any two sides you take it, any two vertices you take it, and draw find out draw the altitude. Okay, draw the altitude. Anyway, inside of a triangle only you will get the orthocenter. This is the acute angle triangle. Have you understood? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the doubt clearing section. Okay. And this too, exercise 4.5. They may ask for 8 mark questions. Okay. 8 mark question. So be careful. Remaining question also you practice. Okay. Then next class onwards I will start what algebra, third lesson. Okay, third lesson I will start. Okay, so this one exercise. How many questions are there? Total 8 exercises are. Then 2 examples are. Total 10 questions. You must complete it. Don't waste your time. Okay. Have you understood that? Okay. Thank you students. Have a nice day.